If we are going to put together educational media and center so that it becomes educational media center, will that give us a new meaning? Now we ask ourselves, what do we want to know in this presentation? What is an educational media center? In this slide, there are two statements. One refers to a facility and the other refers to a system. A facility designed for the housing and utilization of all educational media within the school. I purposely include this slide here where we have the meaning of facility and equipment, because very often facility is confused with the word equipment. We have to remember that facility is usually used to mean something such as a building that is built for a specific purpose, and equipment refers to supplies or tools needed for a special purpose. The elements that compose a functional educational media center are the following: resources, institutional media services, facilities, media program. Under resources, the material resources include the low-tech instructional materials which are arranged systematically for easy access. Examples are the realia, models, mock. There are also the technological resources which refer to Among the services offered by the EMC are the following: orientation, selection, organization, and circulation of print and non-print materials, reference, bibliographic services, photocopying services, video and sound production, and multimedia services. Under the media program, we have the media instruction program, which aims to teach students to be skillful and discriminating users of print and non-print media. The class-supervised research is a scheduled program of activity particularly. We may ask ourselves, is the EMC important? What is your answer? For me, it is yes, because it provides teachers and students easy access for information search. Another reason is that it is a vital instrument as well as a basic requirement for quality education by enriching all parts of the school's educational process. It is designed for the housing and utilization of all educational media. The specific functions of the Educational Media Center are the following: consultant service to improve instruction, learning, and use of educational media resources and facilities. Upgrade instructional standards through the use of educational media resources. Information on new educational development. Creation, production of instructional materials to suit the special needs of teacher and students. Upgrade research through media support to individual investigation and exploration. Multimedia facilities with areas made available to students, teachers, and the media staff. And lastly, educational media equipment made available for classroom use to students and teachers. We have some images of Educational Media Center of different schools. This particular image is that of the Ateneo de Manila University High School. These are images of the Holy Name University Library. The library is a part of the Educational Media Center. The services that they offer are bibliography making, book display, book reservation, bulletin board display, circulation, indexing, library orientation. To continue with services, they have organizing vertical file, periodical routing, reference and information service, resource sharing. Resource sharing is an agreement between librarians to allow their respective clients to use the library materials of another member library. To avail of the said service, a student may secure an endorsement letter from their office, and resource sharing fee of 50 pesos will be paid to the school you are going to visit. And also there is selection and ordering of library materials. Perhaps at this point, we can now ask ourselves, did I learn something more from the presentation? And if I did learn something from the presentation, I can probably make an evaluation or recommendation of the Educational Media Center in the school that I am observing.